Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk irrigation systems. Here in the southeast of England, it's been pretty hot for the last few days. It's been hitting up to 33 degrees. And yes, the garden has suffered somewhat. Fortunately, we've got an irrigation system working here already, and it's the old-fashioned timer type, the type that you just program on two different zones, and it does the watering at that time every day. And you can vary it, you can do it every other day, or you can do it just on Tuesdays and that sort of thing. But other than that, you don't really have any other granular control over it. And that is a bit of an issue in this sort of weather, particularly if it's raining hard. You obviously don't need to do the watering on that particular day. And also because this is a smart home, we have both Google and Amazon devices in the home, and it's quite useful to be able to operate devices remotely when we're not here. So I've been looking on the market to see what there is in terms of smart devices for home watering. I also wanted to add another zone, so I had 3 zones, plenty of pressure to cover all the shrubs and flowers that we've got in our front and our back garden, as well as a number of pots and hanging baskets. So let's have a look and see what we came up with. After a fair amount of research, I decided on the Johgee water timer. It's got 3 outlets, the one that I've got, although you can get a 2 outlet one. And there's a choice of using 2 different apps with it. Both of them are highly rated, so that's not a problem. And it comes with a separate RF transmitter which connects from the Wi-Fi onto the actual device itself. It's got a water anytime feature, so it's got a smart metering feature which will monitor the weather, and of course you can remote control it and use it with smart devices as well. And I've paired it with Google Home and with my Amazon system as well, so I can do voice commands, but I've been using Google Home to be able to control it. And yeah, seemed to be definitely the type of device that I needed to replace my conventional timer. So in the box we've got the water timer itself, along with the RF transmitter which connects through to the Wi-Fi. Comes with some instructions which aren't actually that great. They're okay, but don't really have anything that's particularly useful in there about connecting up the Wi-Fi and all that sort of thing, which has got to be done through the app. We've got the water timer itself. It has got plastic fittings on the bottom and on the top, and also it's got a compartment for 2 AA cells which have got to be alkaline. And here's the RF connector. It's essentially a gateway that works on 70 centimeter band, and it connects through to the Wi-Fi so that you can control the device remotely. The batteries are reported to last up to 8 months, but I have seen some comments from people on Amazon saying that the batteries burn through quite quickly, but that could be due to other factors, so I'm not quite sure about that. And also in the box you've got 3 different outlet connectors which go on the bottom of the unit. And as you can see there's 2 different apps which you can use a QR code for. And on the box we've got the specifications. It's 133 by 71 by 126 mil. The gateway is 433.92 megahertz, and the working temperature is between 3 and 45 degrees Celsius. All in all, it's a nice compact unit, and it's slightly smaller than my current timer. So this is the RF gateway. It's essentially connecting RF through to the unit and Wi-Fi through to your own Wi-Fi so that you're able to control it remotely. This is the app. It's the one that I went for is the Temu app. There are 2 of them, and there's not much difference between them both. I configured the Wi-Fi connection, and I connected to the gateway and then it all started to work. I programmed each of the 3 zones on there, and then I was able to link my Google Home onto the Temu app and then control the devices using my Google Home. You can also do voice commands, you can connect it to the Echo, you can click on the button on the unit itself. Right, so now comes that sad time to say adios to my old Orbit timer. It's done very well indeed with the 2 zones, and has been very, very reliable indeed. It's got to be almost 2 years now since I changed the batteries. The main difference between the 2 units is that the Orbit did have this metal surround on the top connector, and unfortunately the new unit doesn't. It's plastic, but once I managed to screw it all together, it did work okay. It is supplied with some tape, so you can actually tape stuff in if you've got any leaks, but it has got rubber seals on the bottom of the units. So it's just a matter of connecting these onto the bottom of each of the zones, and I tried out one at a time and tried it manually, and then once that was working, I connected the other 2 zones that I've got, front and back garden, and then the baskets. And then I use Google Home in order to test it and set it off. The schedule's set on the app, and so there's nothing much to do than sit back and watch it. And yeah, a very, very good addition to the system, to the home.